Welcome to the Hecker Family Homestead. Today we're going to clean out the rocket heater. After any burn, even with pellets, you're going to have to open that puppy up down there and clean out everything that's burned. As a side note, this is the pellet hopper. It's an insert that goes into the main flue here and allows you to burn pellets. So I'm going to show you how we clean this puppy out. I've got my trusty old dollar store dustpan here, and I've got this tool that they send when you purchase the rocket mass heater. This is to literally reach in through here, pull things out, push things in, whatever needs to be done. So we always check this first. Now I know this has been off today, so I'm not going to check it, but check with a little thermometer, temperature gauge, make sure that it is actually cool before you go grabbing it. All right, once you've got moral support there to help you on your mission, you're going to go ahead and open this up. You will see all that delightfulness. Now, the pellet hopper is empty because it's got this little tray here, which I'm not going to pull out right now, otherwise it would all fall down and fill up, and that'd be a thing I don't want at the moment. We'll do it at the end of the video. I'll show you how that works. Anyways, for now, we want to get all this ground up, or not ground up, all this burnt up pellet dust out of here. So it's literally just this easy. Throw that back there, kind of curve it to hit the sides, and away it goes. There we are, right into our trusty dollar store pan. Now with the pellet hopper, you have to install, or not install, but just put in this pellet grate here. So it's not a normal fixture. So when you're pulling back, if you're hugging the side like this and bringing it back, you want to make sure you don't catch the lip of that and pull it out like that. That would pull it all the way out, right? So just be mindful of that while you're doing this. Otherwise, just a few of these. I've got all my ashes out. I tend to do this every morning. Yeah, every morning. It doesn't take much for this to get warmed up. So I kick it on in the morning, let it burn a little bit while I'm getting the kids ready for school, and it's nice and warm. It's very efficient, very nice to have. I often come home and Baloo is laying right there, or where I'm sitting right now, warming up. It's a great, I can't say enough great things about this little rocket heater. So there we are, clean. All right, and that's it. That's the whole situation here. So once we've cleaned it out, we have to dispose of it. Check with your local laws and ordinances to see what best way for you to dispose of the ashes in your area. Every place is a little different. I like to throw them right where the dog enjoys peeing, or anywhere else along here. All right, as promised, we're gonna pull the tab out here, and there they go. You can hear them falling through, falling down. They make a little mess on your stove board, and now we are ready for the next burn. That's another video unto itself. So if you want to learn about the best way that I have found to light up the Liberator Rocket Heater, check out my next video. And that's that. That's how you clean out your Liberator Rocket Heater to ensure that you're ready to start burning again. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you, and you have a wonderful day.